Now we will present with a method of finding out the real and imaginary part of an analytic function when its counterpart is given. We will assume W is equal to f of z, which is equal to u plus iv, is an analytic function. So we will take this as an analytic function. Okay. Given u, can we find v? Okay. Or given v, can we find u? So we know that f of z is analytic. Okay. F of z is analytic implies f of z is differentiable. Exploiting this, given u we can find v, or given v you can find u. Assume u is given. Okay. Now we know by the property of the exact differential, dv is equal to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. By CR equations, dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. So I will replace this as dou v by dou x dy. And dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. So here I will have dv is equal to minus dou u by dou x dx plus dou u by dou y dy. This can be treated as an exact equation, which is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. An exact equation of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. This will be exact if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Similarly, the CR equations takes care of the exactness of this equation, differential equation. So in this case, what we do is, to find v, we integrate, to find v, we integrate minus dou u by dou y into dx, okay, by keeping y constant, okay, and then plus integral dou u by dou x into dy, okay, integrating terms independent of x. So once when you use this, you can find v. Now you assume that v is given. Okay. Now you assume v is given. Similarly, you have to find u. Du will be dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. So I will have like this, dou v by dou x into dx, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x into dy. Okay. So in this case, if I want to calculate u, what I will do is I will integrate dou v by dou y into dx by keeping y constant. Okay, minus integral dou v by dou x into dy, integrating the terms independent of x. Once when I integrate this, I can find u. Okay, so given either u, we can find v, or given v, we can find u. So using this, we will solve a problem. Okay, so in this case, what we do is find f of z, which is equal to u plus iv, given. Okay, what is that is given here? V is equal to, given v is equal to e power x into sine y, e power x into sine y. Okay, so now I will find f of z. So v is given as e power x into sine y. From this, dou v by dou x is equal to e power x into sine y, and dou v by dou y will be e power x into cos y. Okay, I require u. So now as what I do is I calculate du, which will be dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. F of z is analytic. Okay, here you assume that this function f of z is analytic. Okay, if it is analytic, then you can find it out. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y into dx, and dou u by dou y will be minus dou v by dou x into dx, sorry, into dy. Okay, so in this case, if I want to calculate u will be integral of dou v by dou y into dx by assuming y constant, and then integrating dou v by dou x with respect to y, containing the terms independent of x. Okay, so in this case, I will have integral of e power x into cos y dx. Okay, and here dou v by dou x contains e power x. Okay, so automatically I will have minus integral 0 dy, because every term in dou v by dou x contains x. So when I integrate this by keeping y as constant, I will have e power x into cos y. So your u plus iv will be e power x cos y plus I into e power x sin y, which will be e power x plus iy, which will be e power z. So your function is e power z. Now what we will do is we will verify. Okay, we will verify this separately like this. Okay, so now what happens here is that f of z is equal to e power z, which will be e power x plus iy, which is nothing but e power x into e power iy, which will be e power x into cos y plus I sin y. Therefore, u will be e power x cos y, and v will be e power x sin y. So, given v, we were able to calculate u okay, which is e power x cos y, and using this we can calculate an analytic function f of z is equal to e power z.